Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is quite an exciting day for me. Today I'm going to head to an Hermes store and I am looking for something really specific there. I don't want to talk about what exactly it is yet because maybe I will not manage to find it there today. We'll see. I am just really excited about the whole experience. I want to share it with you as much as possible. I know that it is not allowed to film there with a camera, so maybe I will try to film a little bit with my phone and then we'll do a voiceover later. We'll see how it's going to go, but I really just want to share with you this luxurious, pleasant experience. So the day is supposed to be really nice. Then we are planning to head to a delicious lunch in one of my favorite places here in Warsaw. I am ready for the day, dressed. I have my H&M headband on. This is a velvet brown headband. I've shown it in one of my latest videos where I was showing like my new pieces for the wardrobe for autumn. I really like this hair accessories from H&M lately. And this sweater is 100% wool sweater from Zara, from my recent Zara haul. I really like it because it is very, very warm and at the same time it is classic, timeless. I think I'm going to wear it not for just one season this year but for seasons ahead. Anyway, we are ready to go. I really hope that you're going to like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and push the like button. Let's go. Arriving to Hermes store, I will be doing a voiceover for you so I could comment on some of the items that I paid special attention to. First, I went to a shoe section, of course. I really liked the jumping boots of Hermes. They are very famous, this black model. Also, I looked through the other ones that they had, and these Cali pair, I call them Cali pair. I'm not sure it is the correct name, but they have this kind of a Cali thing like on a Cali bag and on a Cali belt in suede, in beige. They looked nice. Also, they had some like sports shoes. This is not really my style, but they are not bad. They look quite nice. These sneakers, I'm not sure if they are for men and for women. I think for women as well. They look nice. While there was a separate section dedicated to products for home inside of the Hermes store, they also had some of these products spread around the shop. For example, between ready-to-wear clothes, you would see some plates. And generally those are really beautiful, especially this set with like wild animals. I really like this one. And I'm not completely sure if these are scarves or if these are blankets for home, but I think more blankets. Anyway, they looked super comfy and soft. I like the style of this wallet, but I'm not really sure about the color. Here comes a bag section. There you really feel like you're in a museum. All of these bags, they stand behind glass doors. You cannot touch them, you cannot try them on, you cannot buy them. You can just watch them, you can admire them, really like you're in a museum. And my favorites are always Cali bags. I am really a fan of Cali bags. I'm not really into Birkin bags, but Cali bags for me are really timeless and elegant. My wish list number one bag is black Cali bag Cellier with a size 25, I think. I'm not sure. Here is an equestrian section of this Hermes shop. I think it is more for display than for buying. Actually, I'm not sure all of these things are for sale, but they definitely look nice inside of the shop. Came back to the shoe section once again to see what they have there, and actually I had my eye on the jumping boots of Hermes, those black boots, and I wanted to try them on, so that is what I did, and I was deeply disappointed. The leather of these boots, it is not supposed to be soft. It is really not soft, really hard, and for me it was like aching my feet and it was hard to walk in them, so it is a definite no for me. I also wanted to try lots of their niche perfumes and I didn't like many of them, but one was particularly good in my opinion. Well, that is just my taste. I definitely liked the one which is called Vetiver Tonka. Lots of beautiful silk scarves out there, but I think if you're looking for a specific print, it's better to look up online because the shop doesn't have everything. Hi again. As you can see, I am back at home, and this is another day. This is not the same day that I went to Hermes store. And I just want to briefly tell you what happened, what I was looking for, and as you have probably guessed, I didn't buy because I didn't leave the shop with an Hermes orange bag. So what I was looking for in Hermes store was a black Cali belt. I was thinking about this purchase for a long time. I was looking at this belt, at people wearing this belt, at how they are styling it, and I really liked it. I thought that it is complementing so many outfits in absolutely all of the seasons. You can wear it over your dresses, over your knitwear, like your sweaters. You can even wear it over your coats, which looks super elegant. And I decided that it really is my style, and that is a piece that I think is worth spending. And I was at first a little bit hesitant about the colors, but the black color is the most classic one, and you can't go wrong with black color. I have black bags to match this color. I didn't really care about the color of the hardware, like it could be the palladium hardware that they have, like the silver color, or the rose gold or the gold one. It didn't really matter to me. And well, I went to the store with this specific thing in my mind, really hoping that now I could have my Cali belt. I felt that this thing could be a little bit rare because that is a very classy kind of product, but like, it's not a Cali bag. I wasn't thinking that the shop assistant is going to be like shocked that I came inside of the shop to ask for a Cali belt. And what happened actually is that the shop assistant told me that it's basically impossible to buy Cali belts inside of the shop in Warsaw. I think the situation is different in cities like Paris, London, but in Warsaw, in Hermes store, they got just a few Cali belts per year, and they sell them to people who are on the waiting list. You cannot go inside of the shop and buy a Cali belt from the shelf. This thing doesn't happen. So I didn't buy my Cali belt on that day inside of the Warsaw Hermes shop. I enjoyed the visit. I walked through the shop as you saw on the video. I filmed a little bit for you, looked through the pieces. The Warsaw Hermes shop is not very big. Basically, it feels like it's kind of a window shopping shop. Like, you go, you look at the things, but there are really not a lot of pieces to buy there. Like, really not a lot of shoes, not a lot of scarves, no bags, of course. And but there is makeup and perfume there if you are interested in that. And well, what the shop assistant in Hermes store told me is that I should try my luck to order the Cali belt on Hermes website, and then they could deliver it to my home or to our store here in Warsaw. And when I came home, I went online and the belt wasn't there. The belt wasn't on the website. But the next morning I wake up, first thing that I do, I check the website, Hermes website for this belt, and there it is. I don't know, it was really luck, or I don't know, maybe they put it online each morning and till the evening they don't stock up, and then each morning again they put it online. I don't know what happens, but the first thing that I did that morning was ordering my Cali belt in black color with rose gold hardware. I was really happy. I ordered it to be delivered to the Warsaw Hermes shop, and I'm expecting it very soon. I think it was 3 to 5 business days written on the website that the belt is supposed to be delivered, and I think that in a few days it's going to be here. I am really excited. I am going to film a little bit on the day that I'm going to go to pick up my Cali belt, and obviously I will show it later to you. And well, that is the story of my Hermes Cali belt. That is an interesting one. I didn't expect it to be such a rare thing. Like, it's not like a Cali bag, but still it's quite rare, and I understand that this is a strategy of Hermes. This way they make their customers more excited about their products. They like, this way we feel more special and kind of like it's you have to deserve to get this belt, you have to fight for it, like look for it. Anyway, I'm not going to treat it like it's something crazy special, but that is something that brings me pleasure, makes me excited about. Anyway, I will see you very soon, I think in a few days. As you can see, the atmosphere here at home is Christmassy already. I have my Christmas mug with my tea, with my black tea here. I have some Christmas lights on already. Of course, these are not the decorations that I would have at home, because I would have so much more of everything. But still, I think I managed to create a festive atmosphere here. Some table mats. This one is a mat from H&M. I think I've shown this one to you in one of my H&M hauls this autumn. Anyway, I think I will see you very soon for a pickup of my Hermes belt. Good night. Today is the lucky day. Today I am going to Hermes store to pick up my order. I am going to the Warsaw Hermes store today. I am almost ready, already got dressed, a casual outfit today, but just some touch of elegance with this velvet bow here in my hair. I'm going to do an unboxing video for sure for you, but I think this will be a separate one for you very soon. Back to Hermes store once again to pick up my order, and I actually had to wait for around 20 minutes for shop assistant to be free and to give me my Kelly belt. Meanwhile, I looked through some of the other scarves that they had. They had really nice prints, but I think next time I want something, I will order it online, just like I did with my Kelly belt, because in the shop they really don't have all of the prints. But some nice ones, I can see those blue and orange, I think I really like. They also had all of their lipsticks, which look nice when it comes to the packaging, but when it comes to the quality, I'm really not sure about Hermes makeup. I mean, I know it's good, but I don't think it is better than other brands which are on the market for many years. So I don't think that paying more for Hermes makeup than, for example, Dior makeup would cost is a good idea. Maybe I am completely wrong. I am not a professional makeup artist after all. But on the other side, I feel like sometimes we really want to treat ourselves with this luxurious packaging that products have, and we just want to feel the whole experience of using the product. That's why maybe Hermes makeup deserves its place in the cosmetics world. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments below. Meanwhile, walking through the shop, taking a look at some of the ready-to-wear clothes that I haven't noticed the last time, some of the shoes and bags, also these shining shoes I didn't notice last time as well. And here I am with my Hermes purchase, very happy. I cannot wait to unbox it with you in my next video. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed watching it, please push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. I will see you very soon.